Díoghaibh is Mr. Siobhan. Hi, I'm Siobhan from Bite Size Irish Gaelic, and today let's learn how to say snow. Shnokh-ta, shnokh-ta, snow, shnokh-ta. Now, let's make 2 sentences using this word. Tá sé cur sneachta. Tá sé cur sneachta. It's snowing. Tá sé cur sneachta. And now, the place was under a blanket of snow. Bhí an awch fwee vrot shnokh-ta. Bhí an awch fwee vrot shnokh-ta. The place was under a blanket of snow. Bhí an awch fwee vrot shnokh-ta. Bhí an awch fwee vrot shnokh-ta. On the 17th of March, Loyal Pádraig, that's St. Patrick's Day, will be launching a new membership plan, which will include video lessons, quizzes, and frequent live online lessons.